Hey guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you've never been here before. I'm Sinead, and today I wanted to share with you a little or a big loungewear haul from Asos. So I know that everyone is kind of stuck at home at the moment, or at home more than usual. If you're having to leave to go to work then and not working from home, then you're probably we obviously, hopefully, social distancing, so you will be at home more than usual. So I thought, what would people be interested to see? Loungewear, of course. And if there's anything you guys do want to see from me, do let me know. Have still got some videos I'm going to put out, like my new in and stuff, but let me know if you don't want to see those, or if you're still interested to see clothes that I'm getting and stuff, despite if it's loungewear or not, or if you want me to focus more on like homey things. Just let me know, because I'd be really interested, and I want to upload more in this time to do the I can't help out in the NHS or anything, but if I can help out by occupying you and entertaining you a little bit, then I can at least do my part in that. So yeah, if there's anything you want to see from me, just let me know. So I've got a big old parcel here from Asos, and I'm going to open it up for you guys and see what's inside. This is like first impressions. Oh, before I get into Asos stuff, I thought, obviously I've got to wear loungewear to film a loungewear haul, and this is like a new set that I just got delivered the other day, and it's from this brand. Where is it? It's on my arm. Le Girls, Le Boys, and they do it in a few different colours, and I really like the fact that it's got like nice narrow trousers and oversized hoodie, and that it's got zip pockets, so if you do go to like walk the jog or something, you want to put your keys inside, because I find jogger pockets can you can easily lose your stuff. So yeah, just wanted to make a little note of this. So I tried to get a mix of things that are like more kind of typical loungewear, and also things that I would wear to lounge around in, and also hopefully things that aren't too like slobby. So like this is obviously loungewear, but I feel like it looks nice. It doesn't look like I'm in my pajamas still, if you know what I mean. So I try to pick things like that, because if you are working from home, I do think it's really good and important to kind of get dressed, even if it is to like something comfy, but just so you're not in your pajamas. So I do think it makes it different in your mindset, not just for like being productive at work, but also for your own like mental health of like trying to separate, and like if you're not leaving the house, I just think little things like that are quite important. So I think this is a lounge set, the first piece. So some of these are like full-on sets, and some are like mix and match, and some are just random pieces. So this is a lounge set, and it's this lovely marl. Can you see the material? It's this lovely marl, and it's ever so soft. And I got it in a size 12. I always get my loungewear or like comfy stuff oversized. I get most of my clothes oversized anyway, but especially when it's comfy. Stand here so you can see me trying it on. So it's kind of a little sweatshirt, almost like a little cropped sweatshirt actually. And then joggers. These are really nice and long. I love a long jogger. There's nothing worse than having pajama bottoms or jogging bottoms that like are just too short, and I'm not like mega tall, but I'm 5'7", and honestly it's just so annoying. And that works too. The drawstring like works properly, which is good. So yeah, it's like a kind of pale yellow creamy marl material, and I think this was really cheap because it's a set. It's got pockets, which is always good for carrying your phone and snacks. And yeah, I really like this. Happy with my first piece. So this next piece is something that I would wear with my over my pajamas in the evening, also just with like jeans and a little t-shirt or something for comfy around the house, or like with that lounge set. And it's just a really big chunky oversized cardigan. It's really big chunky knit. It's got these big sleeves. It's really long and oversized. I got it in a medium, even though it's oversized anyway, and it's just so cozy and lovely. And you'll notice from this haul that I've got all of it in like nice neutral colours too. I also did another video, which I'll link up there or down below, which I did a loungewear lookbook of like some of the things I already had in my wardrobe, rather than like new things. So if you're interested to see that, and that's more of like a kind of mix and match rather than like sets. Okay, so you can't do a loungewear haul without getting some slippers, and I love these ones so much. I had a pair like this from Emu, but they got really like, as with all slippers, after like a year or so they get like just really gross. So these are like really fluffy nice grey ones again, neutral. They'll go with everything. I don't know if you care if your slippers go with your outfit, but it might make you feel more pulled together. And also, who wants to wear, you don't have to wear shoes when you're in the house, obviously. You have my permission. But I just really liked, I thought these were really cozy, and I wanted to get a pair of slippers because, I mean, I need football options. And also, quite frankly, don't know if I said in my haul, my loungewear video, but Jack has been like complaining about my stinky feet because my other slippers have got so gross, so I really needed some. And these ones I think will not get smelly because they've got like hot gaps in them where your feet can breathe. Oh, I think this might be my favourite thing from the whole haul, and actually it goes so well with this, so I could probably wear it with these joggers too. And it's this fleece. Oh my goodness, it's like a jumper dress. You could wear it as like a dress or with leggings. Or like tucked in, but it's this Atlanta, USA. It's very like Brandy Melville vibes, and it's like a zip down fleece, and it's just so cozy and snuggly. Oh my goodness, can you even cope? This is amazing. So yeah, love this. And has it got pockets? No. Oh, I thought I was gonna be like in love with this then. Hasn't got pockets. You could make a pocket. No, I don't think you could. But yeah. Love this. Okay, so these are some joggers. These are the individual joggers, and these are called neutral, and they're kind of looking a bit yellowy. Okay, so they're way thicker and more plush. Oh my goodness, they're so soft inside. Can't cope. Anyone who's got the Topshop joggers that I talked about in my other video and was telling me about how much they love them too, you will love these guys because they're just as soft. They've got pockets, which is good. Have they got working? Yeah, they've got a working drawstring, which is good. Because I got them in size 12 because I said I always go up, and they're nice and long again, so you can wear them high-waisted or low, whatever, and they're kind of like a creamy stony colour, and I think I might have got a matching hoodie for these. Okay, I did get a matching hoodie, but guys, it's completely missed the mark. So this is like a kind of inside out vibe one, like, can you see the seams? And let me show you the joggers next to it. So these aren't, they're like a, I guess you could go for a tonal look, but I mean, who am I kidding? If you're not leaving the house, you probably don't care. But if you do care, I mean, this would go with these. Very oversized, but it's quite a flimsy hoodie. It's quite thin, and it's not like soft. I mean, it's soft on the inside, but it's not like fleecy soft like the joggers, so it's completely different, but I do really like it, and I love how oversized it is. And sometimes it's nice to have thinner because sometimes it's warm and you don't want to be like smothered in fleece, so this is quite a good, more kind of lightweight loungewear and for like layering as well. Then finally another sweatshirt, and it's this fleecy, and it's this charcoal sweatshirt that kind of goes in at the bottom, and it's got these big wide sleeves, and I got it in a 10, so I didn't go mega oversized, but it's oversized anyway. And this is really cute. I think grey kind of goes with every colour, and it's really soft and fleecy on the inside, this one too, which you guys know I love. It's a great one for like watching TV on the sofa and falling asleep in. I also think it'll look nice with jeans as well. Like, I would wear this when isolation is over with like jeans and a blazer, or just like jeans and trainers for like a cute casual look. I'd wear jeans around the house too, but I mean, like, if you want to wear non-loungewear, I feel like all of these pieces you could. So I really hope that you enjoyed my little loungewear haul. Let me know if you want to see more loungewear hauls because it's relevant at the moment, or if you're kind of over hauls for the minute because of the situation, you don't really want to see new things. I would really like to hear how you feel about that. And yes, I hope that you enjoyed the video. As always, I will leave all links in the description below with sizing information. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. As I said, there's going to be loads of videos coming, so if you are subscribed, maybe you could hit the notifications bell and then you'll get a little alert when I upload a video. And that's everything from me, so I will see you next time. Bye!